Hi everyone, Professor Hunter here. We're about midway through the course, so I just thought I'd check in with you guys, make sure everybody's doing well. I want to encourage you guys to keep up with your good habits throughout the course, reading all the materials thoroughly, making sure that you're submitting on time, and if you can't submit on time for some reason, make sure that you put in that due date change request. That's going to keep you current in the course and make sure that you don't get withdrawn. Behind me is the ruins of a town called Allenville, which is near Buckeye, Arizona, and it was a city, mostly African American, from about 1944 until 1978, and they had to abandon it because of flooding. And I thought it was especially relevant because our assignment on climate change and our lesson on climate change is coming up, and we're going to be seeing this kind of thing all around the world. So we're looking at about 2 feet of sea level rise, maybe by the end of the century. And if you Google how much of the world's landmass is within that 2 foot, would be affected by that 2 foot rise, it's pretty scary. So the climate change lesson includes an essay that's going to be worth more points than most of your journal assignments. I just wanted to talk about it real quick. It's going to require that you get across to me that you really understand the science behind the claim that human beings are causing climate change. I've recently taken a class myself about the science behind climate change and the physics of climate change, and I myself was very shocked to learn the extent to which the connection between human activity and climate change is not merely a matter of correlation. So they're not two variables that are just correlated without being caused. I was very surprised to learn the extent to which that causation is very much established scientifically and almost beyond the realm of doubt. So make sure that you're in that assignment that you're clearly communicating your grasp of the science, which you should be able to get to some of the really good resources that we have in that lesson. Make sure that also that that you've taken some time to research some of the common objections to the idea of anthropogenic climate change as well. You'll be able to find them very easily online, but one resource that I really recommend you is just excellent is called, let me make sure that I get the web address correct, skepticalscience.com. It does a superb job of addressing some of the denialist arguments. Make sure that you read through the required readings also for that, and the optional readings if you have time. I really encourage you to read through that optional reading as well, because that's going to give you lots of good material for that essay. So as always, please write me if you have any questions. Hope you all are enjoying the class, and I'll see you after the final. All right, bye.
Bye.